This is a 3-pin plug. This is the ones I use to fix the tools that I service and repair. But did you know, I'm assuming you did, that there's a little card attached to every plug. It shows you where the wires go, and you know, anybody who's done any work at all will know where the wires go in a plug. They'll just know, it'll be ingrained in their brain. However, on the other side, and this is in every plug, you check it if you don't believe me, there's another part that tells you all what to do. But that's not what we're interested in. We're interested in this part. This part tells you what length to cut the wires for this particular plug. It tells you how many millimeters you cut the wire and how many millimeters you expose in each wire. None of us do that, but I'm going to attempt to do that and show you how it's done today. The thing we need is obviously a bit of cable to put the lead on. This is a 3-core cable, so we'll expose a bit of that to start with. So how much do we expose? We'll go back to the card here. You can see the longest wire has got 40mm plus 4mm, so we'll have to mark and measure 44mm there. About 44mm, about there. Okay, and the longest wire is the green wire, which is the earth, green and yellow, and we're exposing 4mm of the top of that. So again, we'll measure 4mm, which is about that much, really. We'll see if we can get it here. That's about it there. And the next wire is probably the neutral wire, which is the blue one. So overall, they're saying 26mm. So we're measuring 26mm to start with, which is about here-ish. We'll get our pliers and chop her off right there. And again, we'll just measure up 4mm as well. About 4mm, roughly. Just eyeball it for the sake of speed. Okay, and the brown one will probably be the shortest of the lot. It's a live wire, so it's the one that says 14 plus 4, which is about 18mm. So you get 18mm measured in this. This is about there. We'll just snick her off there. And then do about 4mm as well, which I think eyeballing from the last ones is, it's a little bit more than that. We're close to it there now. So then we open the plug. You just wire it in the positions in that are illustrated here if you don't know. There we are. You can see everything's fitting perfectly there. And as some people have scolded me for before, the cord grip is in here too. And that's perfect as well. That's actually over the flex. I've been scolded with that before. It doesn't matter that much. But in the interest of doing this really perfectly, this is the way you do it. You make sure that all those are tight. Don't over tighten. Make sure they don't pull out. That has to be the neatest plug I have ever wired up in my whole life. So there you are. That's the correct way to wire a plug, and the instructions were there all along and you just didn't know how many instructions were on it. Hope you like that video.